Oh, oh, that looks good.
That never looked good.
We were heading up to Ross Lake and decided to pop into the Derwent Hotel and pick up a pizza. This is by far my favorite pizza in the world. I swear this is the best pizza you can find anywhere.
Awesome, awesome. Thanks, Jace.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Have a great night.
You betcha.
This was the first time I ordered this pizza. It's number 38 Philly beef. Number 38 special sauce, roast beef, onions, mushrooms, and green
Derwent
peppers.
pizza. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Let's get away.
Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's good.
This Philly beef was good, but my recommendations and my favorites are number 3, the super loaded, number 2, their shrimp and mushroom, and the number 1 pizza I love is smoky Hawaiian. It actually turned out to be kind of a crummy weekend. We did get some rain, and there was smoke from the BC and Saskatchewan fires. I have another video on Ross Lake, but the campsites here are nice. They're well treed, they're spacious. It's a very quiet campground, lots of families, the kids are riding their bikes. Lots of room for everybody in these campsites. We had planned on doing some kayaking and a bit of fishing, but things didn't turn out, so all we did was cook. So I got the barbecue fired up, and I thought I'd put on some mushrooms. Now, if you ever wondered why keg mushrooms turn out so well, it's because they're baked. They're not fried in a frying pan. They just don't turn out the same. So I got these mushrooms cut up, added the garlic, lots of butter, salt and pepper, and put them in the barbecue for a couple hours. And don't cut the garlic up too fine, otherwise it'll burn easily. So for supper, Saturday night, we had these steaks, the roast mushrooms, and a cheese fondue. Oh, the steaks are done perfectly. This is the PC fondue cheese. I find it to be one of the best right out of the box. The next day we couldn't do any kayaking, so we decided to go for a hike. People don't believe how destructive beavers are unless you actually see this. The fireweed was in bloom as well. We look for Saskatoons. This isn't a great year for Saskatoons. It's been too dry, but this is what they look like. If you don't live in Alberta or the prairies, these grow like weeds around northern Alberta, and they taste a lot like blueberries.